So buddies of mine and all are talking about going to Sturgis next year. None of us have ever been, and been watching a lot of YouTube videos and things like that. But what I would say is from those of you who have been to Sturgis, for someone who has never been, what is the top 4 to 5 things that you would say, hey, these are things you got to experience on your first trip out there? I know there's tons and tons and tons of things to do out there, but you know, I'd like to potentially book a trip out to Sturgis next year and see how that goes. You know, I do know there's lots of things to do out there, you know, just from all the videos I've been watching, but from someone who has never been to Sturgis before, what are the top 4 to 5 things? If you could only be out there for 4 to 5 days, what are some of the things that you would say, these are the got to do's, and the other things are nice to do's? But, and if y'all would, can you comment on that down below, and let me know, you know, especially some of the experienced people that's been out there multiple times, and you kind of said, hey, if I could only go one time, what would it be? What are the things that I would like to go out there and experience and do? And you know, for me, there's a really good possibility that if I do get the opportunity to go next year, vacation time allows, everything in life, you know, works out to where it's something I can do, then you know, I just because it'll take me at least 2 days to get out there, long hard days, and you know, at least 2 days to get back. And then of course you got a lot of riding while you're out there. I'm not big on partying and drinking and all that, even though I may drink me a little beverage here and there, but you know, I don't typically drink very much, so I'm not big into partying and all that. What I do like to do is go experience things and do some riding and I would like to know what's 4 or 5 things to go do out there. Sights to go see. Mount Rushmore, is it awesome, or is like, I've seen it, it's no big deal, you know, or whatever that is. Was it Devil's Tower, Devil's Horn, whatever that is out there, is that worth the ride to go see? Is there are other things out there that if you're gonna go spend a day riding and looking, or is there a certain route that you can take? Hey, if you take this route right here, you can do this. So for me, it's one of those things that I'd like to know what's the things that you like to experience. What's the things that you really say, hey, this is just absolutely awesome, and if you were going to do this would be number 1, this would be number 2, this would be number 3. You know, because I don't mind riding, I like riding. I actually like going places on my bike. This little running around stuff like I'm doing today, it's pretty nice and all, but would be something that I would like to have just to do some running around on and things like that. But you know, for me, understanding more about Sturgis and all that, the sights to go see, the things to go do, and all that, you know, that's really what I'd like to do. So if y'all guys would please comment down below, tell me, you know, if you had 4 or 5 things you could do out there, this is it. This would be the things that you say. And if I only got one more time to go out there, if I could only go out there one time, these are the things that I would do, and all the other stuff is more nice to do. So anyway, alright, well, I'm gonna set up. We're gonna ride over here just a little bit. We'll come down here and get us a little bite to eat, and then probably head back towards the house.